Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today, we are stepping into a world where ultra luxury meets limitless freedom. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion Motorhome, the ultimate luxury RV designed for VVIP travel. Inspired by the timeless craftsmanship and prestige of Rolls-Royce, this concept motorhome redefines what it means to travel in absolute comfort and exclusivity. From the very first glance, the exterior presence is nothing short of breathtaking. The front fascia carries the unmistakable Rolls-Royce identity, highlighted by a bold, illuminated grille and ultra-slim laser LED headlights that create a commanding yet elegant expression. The long, flowing body lines are sculpted with precision, combining aerodynamics with a stately silhouette. Every panel appears handcrafted, finished in deep metallic paint options that shimmer under different lighting conditions. At the side profile, emphasis is on grandeur. Expansive smart glass windows stretch across the length of the motorhome, offering panoramic views while maintaining complete privacy at the touch of a button. Hidden storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the body, preserving the clean and uninterrupted design. Massive multi-spoke alloy wheels give the vehicle a powerful stance, while subtle chrome accents reflect Rolls-Royce's signature attention to detail. At the rear, sleek horizontal LED light strips enhance the vehicle's width and visual stability. A discreetly integrated digital welcome panel can display personalized messages as guests approach. The roofline houses advanced solar panels and satellite systems, ensuring energy efficiency and global connectivity. Despite its size, the overall design remains elegant, refined, and unmistakably luxurious. Step inside and the experience becomes extraordinary. The interior feels like a private mansion crafted for royalty. Hand-stitched leather upholstery, rare wood veneers, polished metal trims, and bespoke detailing create an atmosphere of unmatched sophistication. The famous starlight-style ceiling, inspired by Rolls-Royce's iconic design elements, transforms the cabin into a serene night sky, adding a magical touch to evening travel. The main lounge area is expansive and opulent. Plush reclining sofas with heating, cooling, and massage functions provide exceptional comfort. A large, retractable, ultra-high-definition display rises seamlessly from handcrafted cabinetry, paired with a premium surround sound system tuned for concert-level clarity. The space is designed for both relaxation and high-level meetings, making it ideal for executives and VIP guests. A formal dining area features a beautifully crafted table surrounded by elegant seating. Crystal glass storage, hidden refrigeration compartments, and automated serving systems elevate the experience to that of a five-star private suite. The kitchen, discreetly positioned, includes top-tier appliances such as an induction cooktop, convection oven, premium refrigerator, and smart storage systems. Every element is designed to combine functionality with luxury. The master bedroom continues the theme of grandeur. A king-size bed with a custom-designed mattress ensures perfect comfort, while surrounding wardrobes and display cabinets provide ample storage. Ambient lighting adapts to circadian rhythms, enhancing relaxation and sleep quality. Large windows with automated privacy control allow occupants to enjoy scenic views without compromising discretion. The bathroom rivals those found in elite penthouses. It features a spacious marble-finished shower, premium fixtures, a sophisticated vanity, and heated flooring. Advanced water filtration and recycling systems ensure sustainability while maintaining exceptional comfort. Every detail is meticulously crafted to create a spa-like sanctuary on wheels. Performance in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion Motorhome matches its visual and interior excellence. Powered by an advanced hybrid electric powertrain, it delivers smooth, silent acceleration that feels effortless despite its impressive size. The electric component ensures whisper-quiet operation at lower speeds, while the refined combustion engine provides extended range for long-distance travel. The adaptive air suspension system ensures a ride quality that feels almost weightless. Road imperfections are absorbed seamlessly, giving passengers the sensation of gliding above the surface. Intelligent all-wheel drive enhances stability in various driving conditions, while advanced braking systems provide confident control. Cutting-edge driver assistance technologies are integrated throughout. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, night vision systems, and a 360-degree camera array simplify driving and enhance safety. The fully digital cockpit presents navigation, performance data, and vehicle systems in a clear and elegant interface. Technology extends throughout the living space. A centralized smart management system allows control of lighting, climate, security, and entertainment through touchscreens or voice commands. High-speed satellite internet ensures uninterrupted connectivity worldwide. Security systems with biometric access provide maximum privacy and protection for VVIP passengers. As a concept-level luxury vehicle, pricing reflects exclusivity and bespoke craftsmanship. The estimated starting price for the 2026 Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion Motorhome is around $2.5 million, with fully customized configurations exceeding $4 million, depending on materials, personalization, and advanced technology options. Each unit would be tailored to the specific desires of its owner, making every motorhome truly one of a kind. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion Motorhome represents the ultimate expression of luxury travel. It merges handcrafted artistry, advanced technology, and serene performance into a rolling palace designed for the world's most discerning travelers. For those who demand absolute excellence,